Here's how to make this viral photo moving Holi video. Step 1. Collage your Holi photos with InShot. Go to InShot and press collage. Select your photos and choose your favorite layout. Adjust the border and choose a square canvas. Now go ahead and save the collage. Make another collage and save the collage again. Then combine the two collages by selecting the dual layout. Select the 2x1 canvas and save it. Step 2. Scroll through the collage in PIP. Press video and create a blank clip. Extend the duration to your liking. Now tap PIP and import the 2x1 collage. Press autofill to fit to screen. Drag the collage to the left and add a keyframe. Extend your photo to the end of the clip and drag the collage to the extreme right. Now go ahead and save this video. Step 3. Add a cutout portrait as a sticker. Tap sticker and import your own image. Press the cutout sticker function to automatically remove the background. Now add an outline to your sticker. Extend your sticker to the end of the clip and you're done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.